how to link your Walmart Pharmacy online account to your pharmacy. In this how-to video, we're going to show you how to link your account to your pharmacy so you can start managing your prescriptions quickly and easily. First, go ahead and log in to your Walmart Pharmacy online account. There are 3 different ways to link your online account to your local pharmacy. 1. If you have a specific pharmacy you want to link to, select this option to search for it. 2. If your pharmacist gave you a QR code, you'll want to select this option. And 3. If you're at your preferred pharmacy in person, this is the option you're looking for. Okay, let's go through these options one by one. When you click "I want to search for a pharmacy," a map will appear. Use the search bar to type in the name, address, or store number of the pharmacy that's most convenient for you. Then select your pharmacy from the list. If the pharmacy you see here is correct, click "Link to this pharmacy." If you made a mistake, no worries. Just click this arrow to go back to the previous step. Okay, next up, you need to answer a super simple question. Are you an existing patient at this pharmacy with at least 1 active prescription? Or do you need to create a new patient account? We'll go through both scenarios, but first, let's say you're already a patient. To keep going, you'll need to enter an existing prescription number, one that's still active and was filled within the last 2 years, and click Validate. Then you'll be asked to fill out this quick form and click here. One last step. We're going to send a code to an email address or to a phone number that you have on file at the pharmacy. Choose how you'd like to receive the code, then click Send Code. When you get the code, enter it here and click Submit. That's it. You're all linked up and ready to go. But if you're a new Walmart Pharmacy patient, you'll first need to request for a new patient account to be created at the pharmacy. To start, you'll need to fill out some personal info before clicking Continue. Then you'll be asked about any medical conditions and/or allergies you may have. When you're done filling these out, click Continue. Now, these next couple steps are optional. If you like, you can enter your health card number so the pharmacy can bill provincial health plans when possible. And if you have insurance, you can share that information here, either by uploading a photo of the front and back of your insurance card or entering the information manually. If you've got more than 1 insurer, it's important to provide your complete insurance coverage information. You can add another card by clicking here. When you're done, click Submit. Good news! You're all done. The pharmacy will review your profile and get back to you if they need any additional information. Okay, the second way to link your account is with a profile code from your pharmacy. For security reasons, you can't get this code over the phone. You'll need to visit the pharmacy in person to get it. When you click here, your camera will open. You can either scan the QR code your pharmacy gave you by lining up the QR code in the frame, or you can enter the 8-digit profile code manually by clicking here. When you're all done, click Continue. Last step. To make sure that your account is secure, we'll need to verify it's you. Complete this form, then click Validate. And that's it. Your account has been linked. Now for the third way to link your account. For this one, you'll also need to visit the pharmacy you want to link to. When you click here, a QR code will appear. This code represents your online profile. All you have to do is show it to the pharmacy team, and they'll take care of the rest. Super easy, right? Now that you know how to link your account to your pharmacy, you can start getting the most out of your Walmart Pharmacy online account.